Yeah, Talofa, I'm reading World History Atlas by um, David, by Jeremy Black, and it's a World History Atlas, a compelling uh, journey through human history. Now, in this book, I found a whole myriad of historically relevant information, and in particular for Samoans and Polynesians in general. Now, in part two, in the regional history parts, there's a chapter regarding Pacific Islanders and the peopling of Oceania. And it reads, Prehistoric Oceania. During the Ice Ages, Australia, New Zealand and Tasmania were linked by land bridges to form the continent of Sahul. The first people to inhabit the region were Australoids, ancestors of today's Papuans and Australia's Aborigines, who may have reached Sahul as early as 60,000 years ago. The next significant wave of immigrants did not come until 6000 BCE, when Austronesian people fanned out through the Philippines and the East Indies. They mixed with the resident Australoids to produce the heterogeneous population of Melanesia. Around 1500 BCE, the Austronesians, the greatest seafarers of prehistory, reached Fiji, and soon after that of Samoa. Starting point for later Polynesian expansion to the eastern Pacific and the eventual settlement of islands as far apart as Hawaii and New Zealand. Now, being a Samoan and as a Polynesian man, I would actually subscribe to this accurate depiction of Polynesia and how Polynesia was peopled by our race, by our people. We are the original Polynesians.